Hey guys, I am going to decorate some traveler's notebook inserts right now, and if you think that sounds like fun, then stick around and watch me. My name is Emily, and you found Emmylou Arts. For better or for worse, I hope you stick around and please subscribe because, well, it's fun. Sometimes, I think. Alright, if you watched my previous video, I went to Hobby Lobby and found, well, some things that I basically just went bananas over. Different scrapbook papers and accessories. And I am going to start Traveler's Notebook, and so I need to cover these. I bought these a while ago from the 1407 planners, and one is a weekly insert, like so. I think that will work out very nicely. And then one is just months, and it's got a lot of months, and I like that because I need to be able to stick things in here even on just on sticky notes before I actually decorate the month that it is, just so that I remember and keep track of it. So I'm very excited about these papers and about decorating this stuff. So I'm going to use my spray adhesive and do it, you know, my jangly way, and I hope you stick around and we'll see what we can do here. First, I'm going to split it down the middle here. I'm going to cover this. I don't know what this is, like got discolored. I'm going to cover my monthly one in the black and white polka dot, and then I have some other plans for it. So I think it's going to turn out super cute. So, well, we shall see. This is Elmer's Craft Bond spray, and I'm going to give it a shot here. There we go. Trying to stay perpendicular to it so that I don't get any of the pages glued together. And then I stick this on here. Just smooth that on. I get it kind of on there mostly, and then I flip my little glue notebook to a fresh page so that I don't glue it down on my desk. Or glue this to the paper, if that makes any sense at all. I need to get one of those little paper cutters so that I don't have to Alright, now that's good, so I just need to cut around the outside. So this is where one of those paper cutters would come in especially handy. Alright. So there's that covered, and then I'm going to add some other fun things to it as well. Maybe we'll just focus on one for tonight because I've got to get my daughter in the shower here pretty soon. Oh, peel that off. I highly recommend having a glue, some sort of pad to glue stuff. Alright, now I'm going to bring over my other loot that I wanted to use. And then all these stickers and die cuts. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is a new world for me, and I'm going a little bit crazy because I just love it so much. So I want to fussy cut this girl. because she's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
She is so adorable.
Try not to lose the eyelash. That would be a tragedy. That's one of my favorite part of drawings that my daughter does for me. She adds eyelashes to everything. Like, if it's a turtle, it has eyelashes. If it's a cat, eyelashes. A tree has eyes and eyelashes. I love it.
Like I said before, this brand of paper is,
Webster's Pages is what this little girl has come from. And then look at all these other cute things. God, they're so cute. Can I say cute anymore? And then this bundle is from Simple Stories, and it's the Crafty Girl line. And I'm going to use a piece of paper as background for her. Would that be cute? Oh my god. Like, cut a square of this and then have her... Or does she blend in with this dark? Is it too busy? I just love it so much. I love that pattern. Ugh, these papers, I can't get enough. Or I could do a little pattern pieces with her on there. I don't love that as much. Oh, little buttons. That's cute. She almost fades into that one because she's wearing bluish. Could just do colors. Let's see. And these repeat. You know, I kind of like these little flowers. You think? Kind of do. Let's see if we have a die cut or a card or something. That would be cute. Oh gosh, they even come with a little sticky thing. Because that's cute, but I feel like she needs to be framed with something in the background. What are these little things? These are adorable. Oh, maybe we could do something and layer these. Layer maybe a pattern on a pattern. I think this is so cute. Look at that. Oh, that would be kind of adorable. Let's cut this one. Let's see. Now I'm new to this style, so you'll have to cut me some slack if you hate it, because I don't usually decorate like this, but I was binge watching Cara Vincent's The Hooting Pirate, and I just got so inspired. I got so inspired that I wanted to try decorating like she does, because it's so pretty. What if I used a strip of this? Right here. I'm not even measuring. Is this making you cringe? Not even measuring. I kind of almost don't want her to fit on the entire thing. I hope I'm in the frame of this. See, this is what she does. She does all this amazing, like, layering of stuff, and it just looks so flippin' cool. I kind of like that. That's kind of cool, huh? No, for my first shot? Or is it just like busy as hell and weird? Could be that too. But for some reason I kind of like it. And then I'll put some stickers here. Yeah, you guys, I think I'm onto something. She has this fancy like tape runner thing that looks super handy. I need to get my hands on one of those. I just love a pattern with like a floral next to it. I love it. See, this is sort of a different pattern. I'm gonna like tuck it. So we've got some layers going on. Put some glue on my little sprite here. I could not be more in love with this little girl. I don't know why. I just think she's the cutest thing. I've never been intrigued by the idea of scrapbooking. But this stuff really turns me on. Gets my motors revving or whatever. Get some glue on the eyelash there. So, let's see, put her there. Oh, I love her. She is just the cutest thing ever. But using scrapbook paraphernalia in like a book like this, just I can get behind that. I could get behind that. Did I wait too long to peel up this edge? Shoot, shoot. Ah, shoot. Shoot. I didn't think it would glue down that fast. Fuck, can't do that. Well, I underestimated the strength of the Elmer's Craft Bond. That is for sure. I'll think on that for a second. Maybe we could add a pretty die cut. Or is there a beautiful sticker we want to utilize? here comes my daughter. Bebopping along. That's kind of cool. It looks like it's kind of coming out the bottom. Maybe. Is this a sticker? Yes, it is. Oh, how cute. Oh, you guys, that's really adorable. Do you like it down here? Or up here, and then something down in the corner? Something else. I kind of like it up here. Oh, I think that's cute. Can I say cute anymore? This is going to drive you guys bonkers. That might be good. Carry it down onto the polka dots. Okay, I think we're in business now. I'm going to make a little trio here. Groups of threes are pleasing to the eye. That's what I'm told. Okay, guys. We'll leave that for now. If you have ideas, let me know. I kind of like it. I think it's cute. Maybe this says love and this says loved and love. So maybe maybe that's not so great. A different sticker, but I don't know if I like it without it. Hello, sunshine. Think happy thoughts. I like that. Okay, I think I like that. Oh, that's cute, you guys. You gotta admit, I think that's cute. Maybe you could have used another layer of something, but for my first go at it, I'm not pissed at it, which is saying something. Right. So thank you guys so much for sticking around my first foray into this. It's awesome. We're having fun. All right, thanks.